Hey guys, got the subwoofer. Yeah, let's have a look inside. We've got a manual and a subwoofer. I'll get the box out of the way. No, nicely packaged, none of this was damaged. Here we go. The magnet's still on it. Funny. The size of the magnet on the back. Damn, that is hell of a sub. So it doesn't disrupt the camera too much. Look at that. Concentrate just on that one. But in comparison, you got that. That's your normal $200 subwoofer from here. And there's the VVX's magnet next to it. Now, let's see if this will come off as well. Let's have a look. Let's see if it's got a triple stack or a double stack magnet. Everyone's turning around saying they've only got a double stack magnet. But I've got a theory. Oh, look at that! A triple stack magnet. That is a big magnet. So this is a dual 4-ohm with a 2.5 inch voice coil. Looks bigger than 2.5 inch. This is the new series, and I'll install it and show you guys what I think.